give us hope. My voice is calling, can you see? Look in my eyes.
So, let's start with a recognition of everyone in this room. Every one of your fingerprints has been on this plan, so thank you.
You could feel the culture, and when you walk around Monmouth Medical Center, you feel the warmth, you feel a sense of patient-centeredness, the compassion, the camaraderie among the staff, the engagement across the workforce. It's palpable. The lives we touch as healthcare providers, the good we do it together.
It's our true belief that no patient should have to travel more than 15 or 20 minutes to get exceptional care. And it's why we've been committed to building this network across the health system and across the state. Together, we will change the face of cancer care and help improve the lives of countless patients and families in this region.
So whether it's a veterinary clinic, a concert venue, the Family Care and Wellness Center, this amazing campus, you are really making an impact for everybody. We celebrate the contributions you have all made to make today a reality. Because of you, we truly love our future and we know our community well as well. Thank you so much.
I don't think there's enough words to thank the donors for what they've done. Really, they are the unsung heroes. I thank you for helping to save my life.